Hi, this is a job that I worked in Chief Architect Premier, and you can see there's some stuff in here that Pro can't do. But I thought it'd be a decent plan to demonstrate what I wanted to communicate to you. This is Home Designer Pro 2019, and see if I click in the kitchen, I've got an invisible wall here, 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 so that I've isolated the kitchen space from the dining room space or the family room space, or your so on. Now, if you use a cross-section tool, left click and drag in the direction you want to look, then you get a cross-section of the entire model, which is not really all that useful if you're going to do kitchen wall elevations. We'll let the camera initialize so you can see what I'm talking about. See, it shows the whole house. And a backflip cross-section camera only shows from where you left click to where you release the mouse. So this camera field ought to be fairly blank because I'm only showing about 30 inches of the plan. See, it's good for cross-sections, and that's what it's for. What I use for cabinets is this tool here, wall elevation. Left click and drag. See, it just shows just that one wall and all the cabinets. Then you can go to the dimension tool and get your work done. It's not measuring where I need it to go. You do have to manually edit some of these things. Sometimes it seems like they have a mind of their own. Anyway, I'll dimension a few more things here using the end-to-end tool. Now, these numbers are kind of large, but I'm just demonstrating. Go on to the next one, and so on. Get the idea. And then this can be sent to layout. And let me show you some of the finished ones I created in Chief Premier. You can do this sort of thing and save the icons and the camera icons in Pro, but you can't. See, there's that. I didn't dimension this one. And here's K1, which is this wall over here. Oh, okay, I dimensioned this one. See how nice that works out for wall elevations. Here's one of the island. Double click. I'm just double clicking on the icon. There's the island. And here's an isometric view of this kitchen. Now, I wasn't trying to go for a house beautiful here. I was just trying to get a simple remodeling job up and running for a client. But that looks nice. It communicates the design and the spatial feel of the kitchen. But anyway, that's what I wanted to communicate to you. Is there's lots of camera tools. Each camera tool and plan view has its own layer display options. You should be aware of that. I'm going to click on this overview camera. And so there's lots of different cameras for different types of jobs. And each camera has its own layer display options. There's not just one dialogue like this. There's about 7 or 8 of them. One for each camera type and one for plan view. So keep that in mind. Well, lots of different ways to control how this software looks. Hope this helps you. Have a good day.